Okay, done. Just 1 second. Okay. Okay, I'll review your writing part later. Let's start with our today's chapter that we have. We are going to start with reading 3. Lesson number 3. I have already shared the notes on your chat. Okay, WhatsApp chat. Can you see the screen? Okay. So here
Yes.
we talk about university education. Here we talk about university education. Now, what we are going to learn over here mainly is how to locate detailed information in a paragraph and how to identify the question types. And then, of course, we are going to do the vocabulary practice as usual that we do in reading. Okay. First, over here, you have 5 majors which have been given. Okay. You have to look at the pictures and you have to try to identify which majors each picture presents.
The first is education.
Okay.
The second that new is news journal.
Okay. You can say mass journalism,
Yeah.
mass media journalism. That's what they
hmm
are called usually. Okay. Next.
The third one is computer sciences or
Very good.
software engineering.
Correct.
The next one is astronomy or something
Okay.
like.
Okay.
And in the last one is economics.
Economics or business or finance, we can say. Correct. Very
Yeah.
good. Next. What do you know about these majors?
I know the most about computer sciences because it's my major,
Mm-hmm.
and I know a little bit about economics,
Okay.
um, which was my major in high school.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and the others, I don't know that much.
Okay. No worries. Now, next, what is your dream major and why?
It is computer sciences
Mm-hmm.
because I had a dream from when I was a little one to be a computer engineering. That's it.
Okay. Great. Now, here we look at the importance of a university education. Just 1 second. Yeah, we have a paragraph. You have to read this short paragraph, which is about getting a university education. Then we are going to discuss few questions. Okay, read it quickly.
I did.
Okay, one second. You have the questions now. You can write down the answers. Are you able to answer?
Yes, I was sent now.
Okay, you sent me the answers. Just one second, okay? Okay, where have you sent me the answers? On chat?
Just a minute.
Sure, sure.
sent it.
Okay, great. Now let's move to the next part. Here we have vocabulary practice. Okay, you have to, of course, read the sentences first with the bold words which have been given over here, and of course, we have to try using them in a sentence after it. Okay, your answer is correct.
I read it.
Okay, most of them are easy for you, correct? Now try using them in a sentence. Just a minute, there is some issue over here. Okay, one second, one second. Yeah, you can try answering them as I mark the blanks correctly. Very easy for you, correct?
Yes.
Okay, the first one is major, then the second one is artificial intelligence, then psychology, and then you have undergraduate over here. Okay, I'm sure you must
Yes.
have all marked them correct. Now, next over here we look at reading skills, that is your reading for details. We went through skimming and scanning before. Here we look at how to look for details. Now whenever you get answer for detail question, you will look for facts or pieces of information which are talking about someone or talking about something. Okay, when you read for details you have to make sure that you read slowly and accurately to make sure that you understand what is being said over here. Okay, also you should be able to locate the information that you're looking for. Sometimes if they are numbers, we know that we look for the digits. If they are proper nouns, we will look for capital letters. If some words have been used, then we will look at the keywords, okay, for the specific information. Now it is it is basically used to talk about your factual information question or try to answer factual information question and then negative factual information question. Whenever we are trying to answer them, we need to make sure that we read for details over there, correct? That becomes very important for us. Now we know the question types which we are going to look at when we have factual information or negative factual information question. They might start with according to paragraph, what do x and y have in common. So it will ask you the facts which have been mentioned explicitly over there. And if you have words like except or not in the sentence, which will be in bold, now they are asking you to identify something which has not been given in the passage. Okay, so three sentences will be something which is given in the passage, and one sentence will not be given. So we have to choose that answer. Okay, make sure you do it correctly. Now over here, the paragraph has been given and even the question has been given with the options. Try to read the paragraph and then answer. Okay, also I will be sending you one mock test today. Okay, make sure you give it, and from Monday then again you will have regular mock tests, okay, every day. So make sure you take out time and give those tests. As your actual test is on Saturday, there will be no mock test on Friday, mostly if you finish all the mock tests by Thursday. Okay, Friday should be little relaxing and then you should go for your actual test on Saturday. Yeah, what time is your test on Saturday?
Set 8.
8, so early in the morning. Wow.
Yeah.
Usually the test
That.
timings in India are 10 or 2, 10 a.m. or 2 p.m.
hmm That was the only one at 8.
8 a.m. Wow. I guess in your country everyone wakes up early. That's the reason.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I think it's B.
B. That's correct. Okay, very good. So you understood how to answer this question, right? Great. Now, here you have to imagine that you're a high school student and you're planning to go to university next fall. Okay? Which you are actually going to. So, to begin your university application, you need to, of course, think about your major, which is important for you according to your passion, right? So, example which has been given over here is you can think you are going for communication studies, so which could help you to get a job in editing or speech writing. Now, we know that choosing a major is important for all the students, right? It gives you an opportunity to make sure that whatever you know and whatever your interest is, according to that, you can excel in your career, right? Now, I will be showing you some popular majors and their descriptions. Okay, you have to read it and you have to try answering few questions. Okay, it's a little longer. I would suggest you to open it at your side so it will be easier for you to read. Okay.
I did it.
Okay, now try asking answering the following questions which have been given over there. Okay.
The first one is true.
Mm-hmm.
Second, false.
Wrong. First one is false. Second is true. Read carefully.
So third one is false,
Mm-hmm.
and the last one is false too.
Very good. Correct. Both of them are correct. First two, do check out later where you made mistakes. Okay.
Hmm.
Now next, you have to underline the key information in the following sentences. Okay. Through, like you have to read through the passage and try to find the information and then fill in the blank which has been given over there. And then you have to do the comprehension questions also. I'm sure you can do it for homework, correct? It's very easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try to do one speaking chapter, that the same chapter that I have sent you. Okay, the lesson that I have sent you. Just give me 1 minute. It's on the chat, okay? University announcements. I'll open it at my side also. 1 second. If you are available tomorrow, do let me know. I can take your session tomorrow as well, okay? I'm available.
Yeah, I'm available
Yeah.
at the same time.
Yeah, at same time.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we have university announcements. So you have to look at the pictures again over here and you have to try to identify which art event or what art events do these pictures represent. Okay. Sorry.
The first one is a music concert.
Very good.
Second, exhibition.
Art
Third one is,
exhibition.
yes. Third one is theater,
Okay.
and the last one is film festival or something like that.
Yeah, open theater or film festival we can say. Very good. Now next, have you participated in any of these events before? When, where and with whom? Very important, with whom?
I've participated in the to the concert.
In the music concert.
Okay. Last month with my friend at the uh, country which I live.
In the country.
Yes.
Okay. Great. Now, which art event would you like to have at your university and why?
I would like to have the music concert
Mm-hmm.
because it is the most. Um, the others one is boring a little bit for me.
Okay. Okay, understandable. Now, next over here, you have an university announcement. Okay, you have to read this announcement loudly. Okay, then you are going to listen. If you remember your task number two, you have to look at an announcement and based on that, there will be a conversation. Correct? Same way, here we have a conversation again, which students are going to talk about. So, first read the announcement and then I'll play the conversation.
I read.
Okay, just 1 second, I'll play the audio. Okay.
Listen to a conversation.
Is it audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Do make notes. There will be few questions which you have to try answering. Okay.
Between two students about a university announcement.
Hi, Rita.
Hi, Daniel. How are you?
I'm great. Have you heard the big news?
What news?
Oh, sorry, the campus announcement? The university will hold a live music festival next month.
Oh, yeah, I did hear about that.
Yeah, well, what do you think about it?
Well, I believe it's a great idea to host a live music festival. It's important to have art-related activities on campus because they give students the opportunity to showcase their talents.
Yeah, and I think the music festival will benefit our students a lot because it will get them more involved in campus activities.
Yes, I agree with you, but I'm thinking an event like that will be pretty loud, right?
Yes, it'll probably be loud, but I'm not sure I see your point. What do you mean?
Well, like I said before, it'll be great to have the music festival here, but I don't think it's smart to have it next month since a lot of students will have their midterm exams then. Music festivals can be pretty loud, so I'm afraid the event will distract students. Also, attendance may be low because many of us will be busy studying.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Well, now I'm a little nervous as I was planning to take part in the event. But, I also have tests and need to study.
You know what? I know one of the professors in charge of the event. Maybe I can talk to her about moving the festival to a later time.
Okay. Did you observe how one student had strong opinions about it? That's how your speaking task 2 will be. Okay. And then you
Mhm.
will be asked to give examples and the reasons that she used. Okay. But of course, you have to paraphrase. You can't use it in the same words. Now try answering the questions over here, and you also have to answer it in speaking. The way I said, you have to give examples and explain the girl's opinions, I would say.
Students think it's a good idea to
Mm-hmm.
have the event on campus, but uh, they don't think to take it in the next weak because a lot of students have exams,
Mm-hmm.
so it would dis disturb the students who will study for their exams.
Okay, very good. Okay, question number 3.
It's D.
It's actually B. It will get more students to join university activities.
Okay.
Okay, number 4.
It's A.
Number 4 is
Or
C. A lot of students
C.
do not like jazz music.
Mhm.
So except, right, it's negative factual information question. So we have to
Yeah.
talk about something which they did not talk about. Okay. What will Rita probably do next?
D.
Correct. Very good. Now, okay, one second. Now, if you open the next part, you will be able to see that they're talking about giving reasons and consequences. We give reasons. One second. Yeah. We're talking about giving reasons and consequences. When we give an opinion, we usually explain it further, okay, by giving reasons and possible consequences. So it's very important when we are giving reasons in the examinations also, we explain it with examples, okay, we explain it with possible consequences. When we give our opinions, we give reasons also along with it. That is very, very important, okay. The way it has been given, I don't want to see that movie because everyone says it is boring. Lisa will probably check out the new exhibition on campus as she is a huge fan of art. Okay, so we use words like because, since, as to introduce our reasons. Okay, and so is used to introduce our consequences. The consequences that we're talking about. In the independent TOEFL task that you have, you will be asked to give a full answer to an opinion question. First, you will put forward your opinion based on the topic, then you will give supporting details. This part is very, very important to score well in topic development part. Okay, topic development is how well you started and how well you gave the reasons and how well you concluded it. That is your topic development, basically a structure, we could say. Okay, so that's where it becomes important to give reasons and give our opinions also. Now here, of course, you can do this for homework again. It's very easy. You have to match the beginnings and the ending of the sentences which have been given. Okay, you have been given conjunctions. Do look at the conjunctions also. If you have any questions with them, do reach out to me, not a problem. Another thing that you need to make sure, or be considerate about, that you use correct word stress in a sentence. Now, word stress is nothing but some parts of words have more stress, whereas some parts of the words have less stress. Okay, so that's where our word stress becomes important. For example, if I say important, pot part has more stress, correct? So that's what we mean by word stress. So do practice these words for homework. Do go to Google, you will get the correct stress also over there. Do practice it a little bit on your own, okay. Another thing that they have explained over here is, yeah, you need to use word stress properly, because of course you get scored based on your sentence stress, word stress, your pronunciations, your intonations. It's not only about speaking, it's also about how you speak. Okay, whether your overall speech had or pitch had your rhythm which is required for speaking. Okay, that is something very very important. Now this part we will try to do tomorrow in the class. Okay, do remind me if I forget. We have to do this. Also, writing, I will share it with you. Just try to do once again even today's handout, that is handout number 3. Did you finish writing handout 2?
Let me check.
I know you shared few things with me, but I was not able to check them. Yeah, I guess you did it because you have
Mhm.
shared the answers with me. Yep. Okay. In the writing handout 2 also you had tenses, correct? I will cover that also for you tomorrow. Tense, simple
Okay.
past tense and used to. Do remind me if I forget by any chance. Okay? Okay, we'll stop over here, otherwise you will get late for your office. We'll stop over here and we will meet tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. See you.
See you,
Thanks.
keep practicing, keep going through the handouts and keep going through the TOEFL guide. Okay?
Thanks. Have a good day.
You also have a great day. Bye.
Bye.